Sis, let's be real. Soft life isn't free. It takes money, options, and a solid bag. But guess what? You don't have to break your back to get it. The right side hustle can fund your lifestyle, stack your wealth, and have you sipping mimosas while your money works for you. In this video, I'm giving you 5 of the highest paid side hustles that are funding soft lives right now. And no, we're not talking about surveys or selling stuff for pennies. These are real money moves. Stay until the end, because the last hustle is what's making women 6 figures with minimal effort. Let's get into it. One of the easiest ways to make money in your sleep is by selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or guides. You create it once, and it sells forever with zero shipping and zero hassle. For example, a $27 planner that sells 500 times brings in $13,500 in passive income. Airbnb is a gold mine, and you don't even need to own a house to cash out. Rental arbitrage allows you to lease a property, furnish it, and rent it out on Airbnb for more. A $1,500 apartment can generate over $4,000 a month. Even if the profit is $1,500 per unit, having 3 listings means making $4,500 every month. People will pay to have you organize their life, and it doesn't even take much. Virtual assistants manage emails, scheduling, or even social media for busy entrepreneurs. With rates between $40 and $100 per hour for simple tasks, just 15 hours a week at $50 per hour adds up to over $3,000 per month. Selling other people's expensive products can bring in huge commissions without creating anything yourself. This includes promoting premium products like online courses, software, or coaching programs. Earning between $500 and $2,000 per sale, selling just 5 $1,000 courses brings in $5,000 in commissions. This is the ultimate passive income play. Running a YouTube channel without showing your face can still bring in major earnings. YouTube pays between $10 and $50 per 1,000 views, plus additional income from sponsorships and affiliate links. A viral video with 500,000 views can generate over $5,000 in ad revenue. Hiring freelancers to edit and script the videos allows you to sit back and let the money roll in. Sis, soft life isn't about luck, it's about smart moves. These side hustles aren't just paying bills, they're building freedom. Comment below, which side hustle are you starting first? Let's talk money moves. Subscribe for more wealth building tips. Share this video with a friend who needs to start stacking her bag. See you in the next. Thank you for watching.